Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vion. If this is your first time here, today we're going to be doing a little makeup look, makeup play. I have a look in mind that I want to create. It's going to be featuring some white eyeshadow. So yeah, if you would like to see what look I create, then just keep on watching. Starting off, we're going to go in with primer. We're going to be using the Nars Light Reflecting Primer. This is the hydrating primer from them. I feel like I haven't used this primer in a while. Since I got it, I feel like I've been really gravitating towards the Refi Blur and Hydrate one and the Merit. Those have been like my go-to primers. But I love this one, how it feels. It gives the skin a nice luminosity. It has like almost like a metallic type of feel to it. We're gonna go in and set the brows just a little to take away some of the slip for the brow pencil. We're gonna go in with the Benefit Precisely My Brow. Alright, so next we're going to move into foundation. For foundation, we're going to go in with the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Skin Tint. And we're going to mix it with the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Foundation. And I'm going to be using number 26 in Pat McGrath and 368 in Maybelline. Alright, so for concealer, we're going to go in with the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Concealer. I don't think I have used these yet. Or maybe I did and don't remember. I don't know. Either way it goes, we're going to try it out again. I'm going to go in with 5.1 and 5.4. This is brand spanking new. I love how it feels though. I honestly didn't want to try it at first because I felt like it was going to be so thick, but it's actually not that thick. So we're gonna let that sit for a little bit. We're gonna go into like an old ride or die, one that I use, well, I still love, but used to use nonstop. And the only reason I kind of pulled back from using it was because you guys couldn't get it on Sephora website. I think you have to get it on Huda's website herself. But this is the Huda Beauty Tantour Contour and Bronzer Cream. I love this stuff. This was like my Danessa Myricks balm before Danessa came out with hers, and I used medium. As you can see, I like stopped using it because I was like, I'm gonna have to order it, so I stopped using it for a while. But we about to kick it back, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and go on her site and order another one. The one thing I will say, oh, it is a little deep. The one thing I will say is I feel like the Danessa Myricks balm is a little like deeper, not as red, just a little bit deeper and a little bit cooler. Whereas this is definitely more bronzer-esque. However, I still love it. One of my absolute favorites. Cream bronzer contour situations. And I feel like it was slept on when it was out in Sephora. If y'all could see what I got to do to make sure I could see at every angle. All right. Next, we're gonna go ahead and blend out underneath the eye. So we're gonna blend out underneath the eyes and the concealer and stuff. All right, so next we're gonna go ahead and set. We're gonna start off with the Nye Powder to set, and then we're gonna go in with the Mercier powder just to brighten up a little bit. So Nye and then the Mercier. So to set the rest of the face, we're gonna go in with the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in number 60. Looks like this. I'm just gonna set the rest of the face. All right, we're gonna go into the Patrick Ta She's Tizzled. We're gonna use the powder to bronze the skin. Deepen up the contour with the other Patrick Ta palette in She's Defined. Gonna go into the darker one. For blush, we're gonna go into MAC Raisin Blush. This is one of my favorite blushes. It's just a nice, warm, burnt orange, burnt brown blush. It's so pretty on us. For eyeshadow, we're gonna tap into a few different palettes. We're gonna start off with the Makeup by Mario, the matte palette. This is the original palette, not the cool tone, the warm one. We're gonna go into matte number 4. And sweep it in the crease and all over the outer lid. Next, we're gonna go into matte number 7, I'm sorry. We're gonna go to matte number 7 and place it right on top of that. In the outer crease. And I'm gonna go into a little bit of the raisin and apply it in the crease as well, just to kind of warm it up just a little. Deepen a little bit with the matte number 9 and 10. I'm just gonna mix them in the outer crease and keeping it low. And I do want to bring a little bit of number 8 and 9, just a little bit right here on the lid. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and start to lay the white. I'm gonna start with Makeup by Mario's palette and then intensify it. I feel like everyone should own a nice white shade, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. We're gonna start off with Makeup by Mario's, the matte palette, and we're gonna go into shade Matte 1. And we're gonna lay that first on the eyelid and in the tear duct of the eye. Drag it down just a little into the tear duct and then right here in the ear. So just blending where everything meets. Next, we're gonna go into number 3 in the matte palette and slightly stamp over the lid shade. So this is gonna slightly intensify it, but it's gonna make it a little bit more yellow white than white white. We're gonna do a wing liner. I'm gonna go ahead and use the KVD tattoo liner, and what is this? What color? This is black, I think, but it's called Trooper Black. And pop on some lashes. These lashes are from Amazon. I will leave the link on my Amazon storefront, but this is what they look like. Put them down. There we go. These are what the lashes look like. Super natural. We're just gonna go ahead in with these. Got them from Amazon. I will leave them. Let's start off with the LYS Speak Love Lip Liner in Devoted. Deepen it with a little bit of the Makeup by Mario eye pencil in Perfect Brown. Just a little. We're gonna go in with the Too Faced Cocoa Lipstick in Buttercream, just like a nudie color. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with the Fenty lip oils, well, lip glosses, lip balms. The first one we're going to use is Fussy, and then we're going to top it off with the lip oil that she came out with in Superfine Sugga. Fussy. Oil. Mix it with the Fenty Setting Mist. Love this can. Love it, love it, love it. I haven't picked it up since I tried it, but the aesthetics of it is so cute.
The mist is so fine.
These out. I got a little mist on them. Alright guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love it. I hope you see the importance of a white shadow. You can add a white shadow to any look just to kind of help pop, brighten, highlight a certain area without it being shimmery. I think every brown girl should own a white eyeshadow, whether it's white, off-white, white cream. They look so good on us, and it just really helps brighten up an area without adding the glitter and the shimmer to it. Love how this look came out. Super cute, super glam, super flawless. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that post notification bell so you stay up to date every time I upload and you don't miss an upload. Make sure you follow me on socials. I'm on Limit 8 now. I'm on TikTok. I'm on Instagram. And I feel like those are, oh, and Threads. I am on all 4 of those. The list of social apps just keep going. I just recently joined Limit 8. So we're going to see what the hype is about. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time. Bye guys.